on crispy now. Watch out, it all goes down. No stress, no slowing down. We in control right now. All eyes on crispy now. Every move, hold that crown. From the start to the final round.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. In case you didn't know, every second Saturday of the month, something pretty cool happens here in Enid, Oklahoma. People from all over the city come together over one simple thing: cars, coffee, and community. And honestly, I wasn't really expecting it to hit me the way it did. So this is Enid Cars and Coffee. It happens every second Saturday of the month out here at 7 Brew from 9 to noon. And what I really like about it was anybody can come. You don't need some crazy 6-figure build. You don't even need a car at all. You can literally just come out, grab a coffee, walk around, talk to people, and just be a part of it. And honestly, I think we need more stuff like this nowadays.
Shifts your way. Everybody fitting. Cars and coffee on a Saturday vibe. Whole town waking up while the engines come alive. Coffee cups steaming while the exhaust crackles loud. Small town energy, but it feels like we're proud. Cars and coffee while the sunlight shines. Good people linking up, one car at a time.
Dude, I swear, every time I turned around, there was another clean build hiding somewhere. There was honestly a little bit of everything out there. You got your classic cars, your muscle cars, your daily drivers, your motorcycles, and everybody kind of brought out whatever they were proud of. And I think that's what made it feel real. It wasn't about trying to impress everybody. It was just people sharing something they enjoy. Then things started getting a little louder, and the bikes showed up too. Some of these things sounded absolutely ridiculous. And honestly, seeing stuff like this in the parking lot in Enid still feels kind of surreal sometimes. Like, sir, respectfully, what do you do for a living? But honestly, after being out here for a while, I realized this really wasn't just about the cars. It was about people. People getting out of the house, meeting somebody new, talking about something they all enjoy. And I thought it was really cool seeing the police department out there too. They weren't out here bothering people. They're just hanging out with the community, talking cars, handing out stickers, meeting people. Because at the end of the day, guys, they're people too. And a huge shout out to Todd for helping put all this together. You can tell this means something to people. And to the people I met out there, seriously, thank you. Thank you for being welcoming and sharing your stories with me. And for me personally, as a veteran, stuff like this honestly helps. Being able to get out of my own head for a little while, meeting good people, and just remembering there's still good people out there. And at the end of the day, guys, this is just my take on Cars and Coffee. I don't work for anybody. I'm not affiliated with the event. So if you don't like the video, that's fine. Just don't blame Todd. This is just what I saw through my lens, and honestly, I saw a community. I saw people slowing down for a little while, getting outside, connecting over something simple, maybe even making a new friend along the way. So if you missed this month's Cars and Coffee here in Enid, don't you dare worry. They'll be back out here the second Saturday of next month. And honestly, I think more people should come experience it. Hopefully I'll see you at the next one. Peace out. I'm Crispy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.
Watch out, it all goes down. No stress, no slowing down. We in